Hi guys, it's me Sultan and we are having our first video for learning Azerbaijani today. So I have this PDF here. I will make lessons through this PDF. Yeah, let's go. So first we will learn how to pronounce the Azerbaijani letters from alphabet, okay? And just try to repeat after me the letters. So let's go. By the way, we have 32 letters, yeah, and you can get this PDF with the link I tagged above in my channel, so you will have the link there. So let's go. A, B, C, Ç, D, E, A, F, G, R, H, H, I, J, K, G, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, Z. So that's Azerbaijani alphabet. So in our history, we used to have Cyrillic alphabet too, but we don't use this alphabet now. But some of elderly people use this alphabet nowadays. Also, I mean, yeah, they are continuing to use this alphabet, but it's not common for these days. So I will try to pronounce some words and to explain some grammatical rules in Azerbaijani. Okay. So by the way, it's a really useful book, I think, for learning Azerbaijani. You can learn the vowels too, which we will practice. So long vowels like sakit, you can see these vowels too, this kind of pronunciation too in Azerbaijani. Okay. Oh yeah, so Constance. Yeah, like sakit, baba, badam, bizim, dolap, can, cip, acı, uc, aç, siçan, Çince, üç. Ç. Here the deme, adam, dost, dad. Fen, fes, sinif, font. This gece, gede, igid, güç. The pronunciation of inci, zang, you see, ng, zang, rank, r. It could be maybe difficult for some people, I don't know. Mağaza, but it's okay. Çağ, Oğuz, soğan, G. Havas, Jahan, Sabah, Saf. Those H here like English, hot, hot. And H here. Khan, Khna, Khastakhana, Bach, Kh. That's okay, I think. Je, jockey, jockey, geste, journal, jury, jury. K, kim, kemand, stakan, maktab. So, group, karar, Avgust, program. Bıçak, qonaq, maraqlı. And here, l, lampa, göl, ailəli, il, musiqi, amma, mətbəx, üzüm, nanə, məna, nümunə, gələn. P, pambıq, poçt, ipək, lap. Radio, raks, xarici, bir. So with me, it's really problematic with r, you know, r in Azerbaijani. I personally couldn't pronounce this, but I'm always understandable to others. So that's okay. Sinif, s, sinif, sessiz, hansı, sus. Şad, şəxs, başqa, birləşmiş. Tam, mətbəx, vətən, lüğət. Var, evli, əvvəl, növ. Avtobus, it's like f here, avtobus, but the letter is v. Avtobus, dovşan, you see dovşan, it's pronounced like dovşan, but there is a v there. Dovşan, we don't say it like this, dovşan, and the exact pronunciation actually, yeah, dovşan. It's also okay. Hövsala, you see, hövsala. It's okay. So, y. In English it's y, but we say y. As you could recognize, we said like always yeah, after the letter itself. Y, z, z, s, sh. Say like this, always at the end, b, ch, d, like this. Yaxşı, xeyir, köynək, çay. Zəhər, qazan, süzmə, 8. It's like z with vibration, z. 8 güllər, əlbəttə. This double letters like 8 2 times ch, 8. One of the ch's is like g, 8 güller, əlbəttə. The second t is like the, əlbəttə. Is that is like long z, is that z. Bakü, park, America, it's car. Okay, we have q, only q like a letter, but you know, we say like we have 32 letters, but 33 pronunciation of the letters. We say harf and pronunciation. Talaffuz. Talaffuz is pronunciation in Azerbaijan. We have 33 talaffuz, like pronunciation, because of exactly q. Q is also so q and also ka, like here park, America, cosmos, and so on. Yeah, k, ka. Yeah. Nouns, isimler. Okay. Yeah, I think it's the topic of the next video. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will download also another videos for further lessons. Okay, so please subscribe, like, and share your comments, suggestions. You can contact me through Telegram, and I think there will be also my Gmail account there. So easy Azerbaijani at gmail.com. So yeah, take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.